San Pancho, or San Francisco, is an eco-friendly town found in the state of Nayarit, Mexico.
The original name of this town is Apasans, place with a small river.
This well-kept secret of a town harbors a beach for its vulnerable nesting species of sea turtles. From late June to early November, 1 out of 7 sea turtle species come to San Pancho Sand to lay their nests. Anywhere from 80 to 130 ping pong ball-sized eggs are buried by these olive ridley species. The obstacles are numerous for hatchlings. 1 in 1,000 eggs make it to the special reproduction ritual of their lives that has become a tourist attraction globally. With San Pancho's local nursery, it would be even less. Relocating the eggs saves turtles from dogs, illegal poaching, pollution, insect infestation, and wave disturbance. This local nursery has saved thousands of turtles over the past 30 years, and for many years, volunteers and professionals have used styrofoam coolers to incubate the eggs safely. Styrofoam, also known as polystyrene, is brittle and breaks apart easily, making cleanup difficult, as we've all experienced when unboxing an online order. These pieces of styrofoam were found on San Pancho's very own sand. Polystyrene is a strong contributor to microplastics in our oceans and on land, while economically one of the most burdensome man-made plastics to recycle in our modern world. What if conservation could have the best of both worlds and save hatchlings in a more environmentally friendly way? In 2020, the Science Exchange Program partnered with the Sea of Change Foundation in hosting and funding a Better Box for sea turtles. The winning design from Jorge, Carla, and Isidro. Winning ideas were used as a guide for the 2022 Science Exchange Intern Trinity, Niko, and from her mentor, Catherine Santos, and many other community volunteers, who successfully replicated the Kwamakate spheres 7 times. Each one took about 2.5 hours and 139 pesos, or $6.50. Not all spheres are made equal, woven by hands, when compared to the man-made styrofoam coolers. The runner-up of wooden fruit crates was also made 7 times to test with the help of many young, ecstatic members of San Pancho's and neighboring communities. In San Pancho's local community center, Entre Amigos, 2 classes were given to children in which they learned about turtle hatchlings. The youth decorated paper turtles while listening to lessons about the local olive ridley turtles they could find on their very own beach. Art is a great way to engage audiences of all ages. Their colorful artwork became the labels for the test subjects of the experiment, making their contribution and involvement a special part of the 2022 International Ongoing Science Exchange Experiment. On May 31st of 2022, at the local sea turtle nursery run by Grupo Ecological, is where Phase 2 of the Science Exchange Experiment was kept, for a mocked olive ridley nest incubation period of 45 days. During this time, 7 spheres, 7 crates, and a control of 7 smaller styrofoam coolers were placed on the top shelf of this established nursery. Each finished prototype was weighed, and sand of proper grain size was placed in all 21 incubators. No turtle eggs were used. Over 45 days, temperature was tracked hourly with thermometers inside the prototypes, while moisture readings were taken daily from a Terrace 10 device. Temperature and humidity were also documented inside the nursery and at a Wonderground weather station in Puerto Vallarta. Education is one of the most important parts of science in today's world. Significant or insignificant findings can educate and encourage more ideas. Through social media and community artistic outreach, Phase 2 of field testing for the Better Box experiment was rewarding. A big thank you to everyone involved in this project. Stay tuned for the results of Build a Better Box Phase 2 tests.